You have to treat your body in cleaning it the same way you treat anything, like a car or a plate or your house, your living room, whatever it is. And there's really like common sense principles that you can apply. Like, if you put fats in your body, it's going to gunk up the system. It's like if you pour oil down the sink in the kitchen, the sink gets blocked. And if you cook bacon or some sort of meat on the stove and then leave it for a couple of hours, the fat in the pan goes white and it solidifies. And it does that inside your body. So you have to look at fat and see what it does. Your body's literally a water system. And so anytime you put fat in a water system, it's not going to mix. Your body is best designed to digest fruit and carbohydrates. And if you're eating a high fat diet, even if you're in ketosis and your body's using some of that fat, you're gunking up your body. Anyone who's doing keto and consuming nothing but fat and meat and protein are slowly gunking up their body. Saturated fat is the type of fat that solidifies, like cheese and coconut oil and animal fat. And so if you put saturated fat inside your body, you're gonna slowly block everything up. That's why people who eat a lot of meat and animal products are more prone to having heart attacks and strokes, because those things are blockages. All diseases are blockages, every single one. So if you clean your body and recognize what the fats are doing and start eating simple carbohydrates and hydrating it, getting the fats and oils out and move towards more fruit and the cleaner foods that your body can process effectively, you'll start getting all that mucus out and all the gunk and all the old saturated fat. And when you start doing that, you'll never get sick again. If you get a cold and flu once a year, it's because you're eating the wrong food. You should never, ever, ever get like a cold, which is not something you catch, but it's detox symptoms. You should never, ever, ever get one of those. If you clean your body properly, you'll never see any kind of disease for the rest of your life. You'll be abundantly healthy every single day. Quite literally, you'll never get a cold and flu again. For the rest of your life, nothing will ever happen to you, like in terms of health and disease, because all diseases are blockages. And it's all from ignorance of not knowing what to eat. So get the fats out of your diet. That's the number one thing. People think like healthy, good fats, bad fats, they're all fat. I'm not saying that there aren't some that are worse than others, but obviously an avocado is better than like bacon. But the point is that they're all fats at the end of the day, and fats are what block your body up. You need to switch to simple carbohydrates and move over towards fruit, and fruit will clean you properly.